Hey all, and welcome to Real Little Britain. Folks, tonight I got a beer from you, and it comes from Pokertree Brewery, or brewing company in County Tyrone, Ireland, and it's their Dark Nirvana. Now, this beer was named after Kurt Cobain, who his family can be traced back to Carrickmore, the small village, which is in County Tyrone. So there you go. This beer is made with coffee. I have had to pour this already. Reason being is the iPad failed. So the beer poured a nice deep brown colour, and just at the bottom you can see a lovely kind of light chestnut brown colour. It did pour one finger head, which was mocha colour and coffee, tightly packed bubbles. Let's go straight in with the nose. The first thing you pick up is a massive espresso coffee. Brown malted bread. There's some grapefruit. There's woody oakness. Light bit of charcoal. There's a little bit of tree sap as well. Okay, we're going to go in. Cheers. Oh, the first thing you get is espresso coffee. That hits you right up in the face. And then what happens is it just starts to disappear and the malts roll over the tongue. With that, start popping through wonderful grapefruit notes, sappy tree pine. There's an earthy but woody oak spiciness starting to develop in the beer. There's rocket. It's giving it that pepperiness. There is oak smokiness. It's like ranch malt has been used. And what is fantastic is that the malts, the coffee, and that smokiness are all just entangled and they're all just rolling around. But the base of this beer is the malt and the coffee, and it sets it off, and out popping through is everything else. I'm so impressed. This is a unique beer. It's like a black IPA infused with espresso. Let's see what the finish is like. The beer is malty. The beer's got espresso coffee, followed by these wonderful tropical and tree sappy notes, which leads to a light peppery and a green grass bitterness, which is enhanced with a shot of espresso. Very good. What do I give Pokertree Brewery for their Dark Nirvana? Their, let's call it the black IPA infused with espresso coffee. This to me, without a doubt, folks, without a doubt, it's a 10 out of 10 beer. It's a 10 out of 10 beer. Folks, if you see this, get it, try it and review it. This is outstanding. I would love to try this on cask. Absolutely fantastic. That's Real Little Britain doing a review on Pokertree Brewing Company's Dark Nirvana, their Cascadian Ale at 6.5% ABV. Cheers. Slamacara.